Hello guys, I believe you have seen this kind of videos trending on the internet going amazingly viral. I'll be showing you how you can get Google Veo 3 for free in this video using a very updated and not popular method that many people do not know about to get Veo 3 today. So let's jump in. So just head over to your browser and search for Google Opal. And right here is going to bring you up to this point, this one that says welcome Opal experience. Just click on it and it's going to bring you to this interface. So this was created by Google for people to easily create apps without coding. So just input a text and it creates an app for you. So for you right now, all you just need to do is to click on this point that says try Opal. And it's going to prompt you to log in with your Google account. So just log in with any of your Gmail accounts, and then it's going to take you to the point where you should sign up for this app. So just click on all the necessary stores and then you'll be brought over to this point, and right here it's going to say that you are not in a country that is available except you are in the US. If you are not in the US, you are going to get this. So what do? Just head over to your browser and search for Tunnel Bear VPN. There are a lot of VPNs out there that you can use. You can use any one of your choice, but this is the one I use. So just click on the first one that says Chrome Web Store, and then you need to install it on your Chrome browser. As you can see right here, as for me, I already have it on my Chrome browser. So just install it and then you're changing your location to the US. Just click on the Chrome extension portal and then click on Tunnel Bear, and then you switch your location to the US. As you can see right there, just click on it, US, and then it's going to connect you to the US. So once that is done, all you just need to do is to just head over back to the Opal by Google, and then you just refresh this page. So it's going to load you up into a new location, just as you can see right here. So as you can see right now, you have access to create your apps with Opal. So no more restrictions based on location. So what you just do next is to click on this point that says create new app, and it's going to bring you into this interface. This is an interface where you just input some text and it gets to help you create an app. So that is the editor aspect and that is the app aspect. So right now, let's create this app. So in order to build this your own custom Veo 3 video generation app, this is what you'll be doing. So you'll be using this Opal Veo 3 app prompt that I have created right here. All you just need to do is to click on the link on the description of this video, join my Telegram community, and then you will see this particular prompt. Just copy it like this and then head over back to your Opal app builder, then paste it right here. This point that says describe what you want to build, just paste it there and then click on this point that says enter, and then you allow this to build your app for you. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, so just wait for it and it's going to build your app. So once it's finished building your app, we'll then start testing that app and creating our video. Okay guys, so once it's done, as you can see right here, this is my own studio, so I can start creating my videos. So there are two models to creating this video. You can either create video from an image or you create video from a prompt, and I'm going to quickly show you how to use this app. So in order to use this app, you can operate it from this point right here by just clicking start, or you click on this point that says app, because currently you are on the editor. Just click on this point that says app and it's going to take you to the app like this, and you can just click on start for you to start creating your prompts, and it's going to show you that you need to upload an image to animate. Now this is the one that you need to upload an image to turn into a video. Let's leave that one first and test how to use prompts to create a video, then we'll be coming back to test this one. So just click on this point. This is like next, click on it, and as you can see, it says provide animation instruction for the image. But since we are not using an image, you just have to just paste our prompt right here. So in order to get your prompt, just use ChatGPT or any of your prompt generating apps, So as you can see right here in ChatGPT, I already have some prompts ready to go. So let me just copy this one right here, and I'll go and give it to my app to create a video for me. So I'll paste it right here, and I'll just click on this point and it starts generating my video. As you can see, generates animated videos. So I'll just have to wait for some seconds for it to generate my video. Okay guys, so as you can see, my video is ready right here. So I just have to do is just click here to preview it and see how it looks. So I'll just ensure the volume is high, and then I'll preview it.
Turn up the bass, Grandma's in the building.
Okay guys, so as you can see how amazing this looks. This is like an old woman that is a DJ, and she says turn up the bass, Granny is in the building. As you can see, it even came with a dialogue. So this is how you actually use the Google Opal experiment to create your own free app that will create Google Veo 3 quality videos for you. So all you just have to do right here, just click here and just download this video into your device. And you can do this multiple times. All you just need to do is to just click on this point right here, and it's going to bring you back to the beginning of the app, or you can just refresh your browser and it comes back to this point of the app, and then you click on start, and then you begin to create your video. So let's test this one that says upload the image to animate. So let's try to animate an image and see how it looks. So all you just have to do is to click this point right here to select an image from your device. So as you can see, upload from device. Okay guys, as you can see, I've selected my image. What I'll do next is to click on this point right here, and it's going to bring me to this point to write what I want my image to do. So I will just say, so right here, I just say that it should animate this image and make the ladies smile while taking a photo. So right here, I'll just click on this point, and I will just allow it to create this video. So as you can see, the video is generating. I'll give it some time and it's going to give me my video. Okay guys, so as you can see, my video is ready. So let me just play it so we get to see how it looks.
Okay, everyone say cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Amazing guys, this is crazy. I didn't even tell it what they should say. It automatically just picked up what they should be saying, and this is crazy guys. So this is how you can actually move images to video using Google Veo 3 within this Opal experiment by Google. So just click here, download your video, and then you can refresh to begin to create more videos. So this is just so amazing guys. So let's create one more video, which is like an advert video. I believe you have been seeing all these kind of advert videos blowing up on the internet, and this is created using the JSON prompts. Let me show you how to create this kind of videos. So in order to create your JSON prompt, just head over to ChatGPT and come to this point that says GPT, and then you search for Veo 3 JSON generator, and then you are going to have this right here. So all you just have to do right here to just give it something like the idea you have. So right here, I just typed an advert for Pepsi drink, and then I'll send it, and it's going to give me a JSON prompt I can use to create a good advert for my Pepsi drink. So as you can see, it's different from the normal kind of output you get from your JSON prompt. So right here, all I just need to do, I just click on this one that says copy, and then I'll head over back to my Veo 3 video app. So right here, I just click on start, and I'll click on next, and then I'll just paste it on this point that I need to paste my prompt for video, not like an image upload. And then I'll just click on send, and as you can see, it is generating my video. I will just wait for some time and see the output it gives to me. Okay guys, the video has been generated. Let's play it and see how this one looks like.
Sometimes refreshment is more than just a drink, it's a feeling. Pepsi.
Amazing guys, so as you can see, with just a simple prompt we generated this kind of video. So let me show you the other one. Okay guys, so this is another one right here. Let's see how this one looks. Amazing guys, so this looks like a video advert for Elon Musk's Tesla Cybertruck. So right here, guys, this is how you get Google Veo 3 for free using the Opal experiment by Google. So I believe you have gotten value from this video. Ensure you drop a comment on this video saying that you got value and you have already accessed this Veo 3 using this method for free. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing updates just like this. So that being said, this is another video that YouTube wants you to watch from my channel. So just click on it and watch it right now. See you in the video.